Hello and welcome. Today I wish to invite you to take a moment to relax and join me on a little journey. Wanting to be someone else dismisses who I am. As you look at this image, we'll discuss and explore its different parts to help you understand the wisdom message. Each visual part will also be a memory aid that will help you remember the wisdom message and use it in your daily life. Looking at the picture, you'll see a large floor mirror. Its double mirrors displays two distinct reflections of the same person. On the left, the reflection is clear and vibrant. It shows the person dressed in clothing that truly represents who they are. The background behind around this reflection is lush and vibrant, featuring a blossoming plant. We'll use this image to represent a person as they truly are, authentic and unique. Being authentic and unique is understanding and accepting who you are at your core, including your values, beliefs, and feelings. It's living in a way that feels genuine and just right for you. Now let's imagine a Christmas tree growing in its own way in a countryside field. It's shaped by its roots and surroundings, while a fake plastic tree, though it may look perfect, lacks the depth and character of the real one. Similarly, your being authentic means growing and flourishing in your own way, rather than trying to fit into someone else's mold. The vibrant colors and blooming plant are reminders that embracing who you are brings clarity and joy. Now shift your attention to the right side of the mirror. Here the clothes and background are dull and gray, with wilting flowers. We'll use that to represent a loss of zest for life. We may experience it as feeling drained, unmotivated, or disinterested in activities that once brought joy or excitement. It feels like being stuck. It's like a plant that hasn't been watered, slowly losing energy and liveliness. We can use this fading gray, dull image and wilting flowers to remind us of confusion and dissatisfaction that comes when losing touch with our true selves. It feels empty, doesn't it? Being true to yourself is like walking a path that is uniquely yours. A path where you gain experience with every step. The path may be rocky, yet it's fulfilling as you learn and discover more about yourself, moving you toward what you genuinely seek. Trying to be someone else is like walking on a path laid out by others. This path often leads you away from where you truly want to go. You can use this mirror image as a visual memory cue. Whenever you see a mirror or feel like you're faking it, recall this image and choose to be your authentic self. To help embed wisdom, we created a mnemonic visualization that helps you access and use the wisdom message in your life. You can think of the image as a little memory trick, like sticky glue, making it easier for you to recall and apply this wisdom nugget in your daily life. Now let's turn that sticky glue into super glue. And that is, we turn initial memory to super sticky memory by first recognizing, number 1, understanding a nugget of wisdom is one thing. And number 2, embedding the wisdom message deep within your memory, so it's always accessible in both your conscious and subconscious mind, is another thing. To illustrate the difference between just knowing versus embedding, it's like knowing of a recipe versus being able to cook it from memory, or understanding a map versus being able to navigate without it, or learning a dance step versus performing it naturally. We'll explore a few ways to embed wisdom messages into your subconscious. The goal is to help make these wisdom messages an automatic response to life's challenges. Consider these tips for practicing and strengthening these wisdom messages so they become an automatic habits of thought. Practicing visualization deepens the wisdom message. Try practicing this visualization exercise at least 3 times during the first week. The more you practice, the more the visual symbols will help you deeply understand the wisdom nugget. Before long, when you face a challenge, this image will pop into your mind, guiding you to react wisely. Let's break wisdom practice down into 3 key steps to help you embrace and apply wisdom in your life. Step 1. Visualize the image. Close your eyes and picture each element of the image associated with the wisdom nugget. Step 2. Repeat the wisdom message. Recite the wisdom nugget in your mind as you visualize the image. Step 3. Apply it in life. Whenever you're in a situation that calls for wisdom, recall the appropriate image and the wisdom it represents. Let its message guide your actions and decisions. By practicing this visualization exercise regularly, you'll find it easier to recall and apply this powerful piece of wisdom in your daily life. So, no sense waiting around. Let's get started and embrace putting wisdom into action with courage and determination. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video on embedding wisdom in your life helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I read every single one, and your feedback really helps shape future videos. If you enjoyed this topic, be sure to check out related videos for more insights on living a wise and fulfilling life. And stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive into something you won't want to miss. Thanks again for watching, and as always, keep growing in wisdom and living your best life. See you next time.